guys. Love you. Miss you. Hand me a cameo. And Navy. I painted my nails yesterday, and I think they look so cute. So I want to show you what they look like. I don't know if you can see them, but they're pink with sparkles on them. Can you see that? But they are so cute. It's my new favorite, like, nail polish color. It's pink with sparkles. I love it. Anyways, I miss you guys. I hope Mom's showing you these videos. Want to say hi to Jack? Jack! 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 He's ignoring me. Hold on. Jack, come here! Jack!